students, so today we are going to learning a new topic. It's about how to set up for table on breakfast time. So let's see all together. On the table we have the mise en place already. So we have the general cloth to clean the table and chair, and we also have the placemat. Okay. At here we have some important material to set up like a breakfast style. So we have a tissue container, we have a brush or salt and pepper shaker here, and we have the BB plate, water goblet, and for cutlery we have the BB knife, dinner forks, and dinner knife. So now let's enjoy the video for the real practice. Okay, before we are going to look the real practice, I want to tell you the detailed step how to set up the breakfast table. So we have 6 steps. The first step, you should be check the table and arrangement. This means that the table is back online and the chair is face to face. And one more thing is about the cleaning the table. This means you bring the general cloth to wrapping it. So the first we clean at the top of the table first. Okay. So you clean it, make sure on the table free of dust. Okay, you clean like that. Spot check to under the table. Especially on behind you are a server, make sure you provide the good speed and cleanliness to the customer. You can see at the foot of the table, we see about a little bit of the dust. So you should be clean it also. So you should do this. Okay. So now we arrange the chair face to face to another chair and make it straight on line and at the middle of the table. Okay, you can see it's straight on line. You can look also the table. Okay. Spot check it. Don't make it a little bit shaky. Okay. Spot check again for the table and chairs has been arrangement properly, straight online and face to face. So now we finish for step 1, so we're going to making the second step. Second step, we have to set up the salt and pepper shaker at the middle of the table. Okay. You can place it like this, or you can place like this. It's okay. If you have flower vase, you can place at the middle of the table also, and also put the tissue container. So we finish for second step. Now we're going to set up for placemat. That is the third step. Okay. We place it at the middle of the table and face up your sitting. You can see is and the side of both sides of the table should be balance each other. It means the same level. Okay. Okay, now we are finished for the third step, so we are going to open the fourth step. So step 2, set up the cutlery. Okay. Okay, so the law of the server or whatever test when you are sitting the table. It's not only the breakfast, lunch and dinner, it's every time. You should be stand behind of the chair to look face to face. Okay. Now we have finished for first step, so we are going to the third step. Okay. So this is the time for set up BB plate and BB knife. Now we have finished the last step, is the sixth step. The time to set up for water goblet. So the water goblet should be handled like that. Okay, at the stand side. So place at the middle, maybe 1 or 2 cm from the top of the knife. Okay, all students, so now we are finished for set up table for breakfast time. But before you are ready to serve to the customer, make sure you have to spend maybe 2 minutes to 5 minutes to spot check on the table, or you can maintain on the table. It means the table is straight on line, and the chair is face to face, and the cutlery is face to face from AC cutlery because inside. Spot check to the chair is a little bit shaking on object. Okay. So now we have the properly for table set up at the breakfast time already. So thank you so much for your taking time to review and looking our video. And see you for next video with the new lesson also. Thank you so much.